And knowing that this is the end, can I just go about here saying the thought of you with someone else kills me, but it's all in well. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be playing this song as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar. And aside from that, I'm going to be teaching this to you guys as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so when it comes to the chords that we're going to use for the entirety of this video, it's going to be these ones right here. There's only going to be 6 of them. And the first one is going to be the A sharp major chord. But when it comes to this chord, we're not going to be playing this version. We're going to be playing a broken version where we're only going to be playing just the essentials, just the essential notes when it comes to playing this song. So what I like to do is to do this chord shape right here. You know what I'm saying? So I pretty much use my thumb to press on the 6th fret on the lower E string. It's going to be the 8th fret on the D string, 7th fret on the G string, then 6th fret on the B string. So it's going to be 6, dead string, 8, 7, 6, then dead string. Yep, next up is going to be the A sharp major 7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. Once again, using our thumb, it's going to be 6, dead string, 7, 7, 6, then dead string. Next up is going to be the A sharp 7 chord. It's going to be like this. It's going to be 6, dead string, 6, 7, 6, then dead string. Yep, pretty much just, you know what I mean? All of those are in the A sharp chord, those 3 variations. Next up is going to be the D sharp major 7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. That's going to be dead string, 6, 8, 7, 8, then dead string. Once again, dead string, 6, 8, 7, 8, dead string. Yep. Next up is going to be the C minor 7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. That's going to be 8, dead string, 8, 8, 8, dead string. Then lastly, it's going to be the F7 chord. It's going to be this one right here. Yep. And that is going to be dead string, 8, 10, 8, 10, then 8. While using our index finger to fret the 8th fret from the A string down to the high E string. And I also like to use my middle finger as some support as well for that index finger. Puts a bit more pressure doing that way, It's going to be dead string, 8, 10, 8, 10, then 8. Yep, 6 chords for the entirety of this song. Okay, so when it comes to the plucking pattern that we're going to use for the entirety of this song, it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be like this. It's going to be bass, D, G, B, waiting it out for 1 count, bass, D, G, and the B strings all together, then bass. It's going to be like this. So pretty much a bass note is whatever that's going to be pressed the highest in this one of these strings. So in this case, C minor 7 chord, the bass note is going to be the lower E string. Yep, it's going to be the lower E string because it's the thickest string being played in this chord. So that's going to be your bass string, or your root note, or your bass note. Lower E string. It's going to be like this. Lower E. Yep. And for chords such as the D sharp major 7 chord, by principle, your bass note or your root note or your bass string is going to be the A string. This one right here, because it's the thickest string being played in this chord. Yep, just like that. And with that said, the entire plucking pattern will be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. So for the entire chord progression of this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep. This is basically it from start to finish of the song. So it's going to be the A sharp chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. Then A sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. A sharp 7 chord for 4 counts, then D sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts, C minor 7 chord for 4 counts, F7 chord for 4 counts, then A sharp major chord for 4 counts, then A sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, and you're pretty much just going to be repeating that entire thing from start to finish for a total of 6 repetitions. And that's your whole song basically. So once again, A sharp major chord, A sharp major 7, A sharp 7, D sharp major 7, C minor 7, F7, A sharp major, then the A sharp major 7. Pretty cool. So yeah, once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. And knowing that this is the end, can I just go back here saying the thought of you with someone else kills me, but it's all in well. As long as you're happy without, as long as you're smiling without me. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.